Hello everyone, welcome to Brain Blitz Audios. Today we will be looking at some tips and tricks for mental ability tests. Let us talk about sense of directions. This will be very helpful to crack Olympiads, NTSE and NSE exams. Let's begin. Introduction. Direction is the measurement of position of one thing with respect to another thing. Displacement is the measurement of distance between initial and the final point. Direction and distance tests mainly deal with two types of directions, which are mean directions and cardinal directions. Main direction. There are four types of directions, namely east, west, north, and south, as shown below. So the mnemonics for remembering these directions is NEWS, which stands for north, east, west, and south. Now sunrise happens at the east and sunset happens at the west. Cardinal direction. A direction between two main directions is called cardinal direction. Clearly, there are four cardinal directions. So this will be north, south, east, west. So the cardinal direction between north and west will become northwest. And the cardinal direction between north and east will be northeast. Similarly, the cardinal direction between south and west will be southwest. And the cardinal direction between south and east will be southeast. Angle formed between two main directions is 90 degrees. An angle formed between a cardinal direction and mean direction is 45 degrees. Now, the angle formed between two main directions, so for example, north and east, will be 90 degrees. While the angle formed between a cardinal direction and a mean direction, for example, northwest and west, will be 45 degrees. Rotation of angles. To solve angle movement questions, it is necessary to know about the rotation of angles which are given below. The first one is for right direction movement, which is also known as clockwise. And second is for left direction movement, which is anticlockwise. So left turn will means anticlockwise direction turn, and right turn means clockwise direction turn. For clockwise movement, the diagram will be like this. So this is the starting point where it will be 0 degree. So as we move to the cardinal direction, we get to 45 degrees. Then to the next mean direction, we get 90 degrees. It continues like that till 135 degrees. Then 180 degrees. Then 225 degrees. Then 270 degrees. 315 degrees. And at last 360 degrees. And for clockwise movement, it will be turned like shown in this arrow. For anti-clockwise movement, the diagram can be shown like this. This is the right opposite of that. Means 0 degree will be over here, 45 degree over here, 90 degree over here. Means it is opposite 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 135 degree, 180 degree, 225 degree, 270 degree, 315 degree, and 360 degree. For anticlockwise, the arrow will be shown like this. Change in direction when taking turn. The change in direction when a person or vehicle takes a right or a left turn is given in the table below. Now, if a person or vehicle before taking the turn is facing north and they turn right, then they will be facing to east direction. And if they turn left when they are facing north direction, they will be in west. If before taking the turn they were south, if they took a right, they will be in west, and if they took a left, they will be in east. Now, the direction before taking the turn is east. So, if they take a right, it will be south, and if they take a left, it will be north. Similarly, west is the direction before taking the turn. Then, if they turn right, they'll get north, and if they turn left, it will be south. Shadow case. In morning or sunrise time. A. If a person is facing towards the sun or towards the east, the shadow will be towards his back or in west. B. If a person is facing towards south, the shadow will be towards his right. C. If a person is facing towards west, the shadow will be towards his front. D. If a person is facing towards north, the shadow will be towards his left. In evening or sunset time. If in evening or sunset time, if a person is facing towards the sun, the shadow will be towards his back or in east, as they will be facing to the west if it's sunset time, if we are facing towards the sun. B. If a person is facing towards north, the shadow will be towards his right. C. If a person is facing towards east, the shadow will be towards his front. D. If a person is facing towards south, the shadow will be towards his left. Now we have to know that at 12 noon there will be no shadow because the rays of the sun are vertically downward. And that is the end of this episode on math tricks. We will be back with more tricks and other educational content. To be a part of our journey, please subscribe to our channel, Brain Blitz Audios. Until next time, bye bye.